I used to have old drink, just like LeBron, but now I'm in a 6-speed. I'm on a run. I swear I had this world in my hand when I was young. I swear I had the world in my hand when I was young. I wanna build the Wayne Way. I wanna build LeBron James. Hey, I had hoop dream like Steph. I'm in a drug hall with the milk.
What's up, guys? I'm back in the junkyard. Got a new one, and the first car I see is a Mini Coupe. Homie MB said, yo, look for those G6s or the Mini Coupes. And right now I got an 09 Mini Coupe with the sunroof, but they took the controls, so I don't know how hard it is to find that. But yeah, I mean, that could definitely probably work in the Caprice. I don't know about the middle part right here, but definitely a possibility. And this is like the very first car I've seen. Maybe you see it. Yeah, we'll see. What's up? So this is the main reason I came out here today. This is an 88 Caprice, probably the only one in my area. This one is pretty well stripped. We got a lot of new parts, like on this head latch. That looks brand new. Trunk in awesome shape. Too bad all the lights are gone, but I don't think I can use those anyway. Bumper gone. A lot of the trim still there. All the emblems are gone. Some of the panels are here, but I think I'm good on panels. I got two out of a Delta 88. I needed a light. I think that's a different one too. The dash is what I may take some pieces off that dash. It's the same as mine. The dash is cracked too. So if anything I need is gonna be on that dash. I'm pretty good on doors and knobs, I think. Put the knobs and stuff. Some of this trim I might be able to use. Seat belts, always a good thing. Yeah, a lot of good parts, at least on the dash. It's cold today. I'm out in Liberty. It's pretty much like a hike. But yeah, I think Eric was asking about the bumper filler. I see like all this trim. I think I'm missing some of these trim pieces. He's asking about the bumper filler. I really wish the hood was still here. Fenders are gone. Could have used those. Well, they wouldn't fit mine, but the filler piece, I know Zoe's missing the filler. That's gone. Some of this wiring, some of the stuff actually still looks new, some of these parts. Most of that's original. I need to check wiper blades, I might need those. But yeah, this is the only Caprice within that 77 to 90 period that I could find local. There's a Delta 88 I'm gonna look at, which I think my panels are 88 Royal panels on my doors. And there is a G6 here, but it doesn't have the sunroof. I may go ahead and grab that Mini Coupe roof. But I know the other junkyard has about 10 or 12 G6s. So I might end up with two roofs. But I think this one might take me a little time to get it out since it's my first one. I never worked on a Mini Coupe. If not, I'll get it tomorrow after I get off work. Let me look at the paint. But anyway, I'm gonna keep on walking. This yard's about the size of my other yard. But I already see seats aren't gonna be a problem for me. Pretty much any yard I go to, I can find some seats if I want to change it up. I'm probably gonna keep my Caprice seats I have, unless I find something I work with a 2-door, because those GTP seats are good for a 4-door. But then trying to let someone in the back might be an issue. But yeah, this is the only Caprice I can find right now. But I'll cut you back on if I find something else I want to show you guys. So I'm back. So what I'm taking out of this is basically, on mine I'm missing this piece here. So I definitely need this. And on mine, I think my original trim was gray, and then he, the guy who I bought it from, put the same wood on here, wood grain plastic stuff, because mine is gray here and gray there. So he put this one in mine, but this is all one piece. I think this is part of the dash, so I can't just take this one section. I might just end up changing it since I can't find the right piece. But I'm glad I found this. One small piece I can use. And I think that's about it. Wonder where that goes. But yeah, there isn't too much, but I mean, this is a major piece to finish off my dash. As long as I keep it original. You know, the coder may be going in there, some digital gauges. But give me that update. And then on mine, there's a clock here on mine. So that's a little different where this Caprice sign is. I kind of like that, but I think this is all one assembly and I think it's broken anyway. But we'll be back. So as I was about to walk away, I just realized something. It's like a pristine windshield. So I'm definitely have to get the windshield. I got the chrome trim around the windshield. I popped that off. And I got the plastic for the odometer. So I might see if they'll pull the windshield for me. See what that runs. If not, since I have the trim off, I might come back tomorrow and get that. And then I need to look at any other trim I don't have. I may have this, like there's some trim in the back seat of my Caprice now, but I'm just get these just in case because it's kind of an eyesore without it on mine. I wish I had the bezels. Hopefully the bezels off that clip work with mine. It should, but I need that windshield. I just wish it had more lights. Oh, I'm gonna go LED bulbs. But yeah, if I take anything else, I'm pretty sure that's the same windshield I have. I think 77 through 90 windshields all work. And this is the 88 Caprice. So yeah, I'm definitely trying to see if I can get that. Alright, YouTube, I'm out. It was good, YouTube. So I didn't leave. I had to get this Mini Cooper thing going. So MB motivated me to go ahead and pull this top. I want the G6, but yeah, got the top. Still need to get the bracket. I gotta get the bracket. I gotta cut that bracket out. But the biggest thing was getting that moonroof off, panoramic. So I don't know if you can see it. This is the bracket. I need to cut, get that out. But yeah, it's kind of sunny. But it's out. Alright, hit you on the next one.